Hi, my name is Jessie. I just wanted to come on here and leave a review for this large cast iron skillet. I love this so much. It works great when you put enough oil in the pan to prevent things from sticking, and honestly, it's really easy to clean, and it will last literally a lifetime. So that's another thing. It's a great investment. It definitely is heavy because it's cast iron, so it's not your typical pan where you can lift it up with one hand super easily. I prefer using it with two hands if I have to lift it up. Something to also keep in mind, the handle does stay hot on both sides. Let's talk about the ultimate cast iron skillet from Largest Chef Collection. This pan gives you that restaurant quality sear every single time. I'm talking about the perfect crust on steak, chicken, or even veggies. It heats up evenly and retains heat like a champ, which means you get that deep, caramelized sear that cast iron lovers crave. Plus, it's pre-seasoned, so you can get cooking right away without any hassle. The economic design also makes it lighter and easier to handle, perfect for both home cooks and pros. Honestly, this skillet has elevated my cooking game. If you're serious about great meals, Lodge is a must-have to have in your kitchen to make your shopping experience easier. We have added the necessary link in the comments and description. Check it out and order your favorite product today. Thank you.